Alright, last two problems on this page ask us to find the constant rate of change, or the slope. And we used a specific formula for finding slope. Hopefully this looks familiar. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And now all I need to do is figure out which one of these values are which. Well, I have my first term and my second term. I have an x value and a y value. X and a y. So my y2 would be my y from my second term, 1, minus my y1, my y from my first term, over x2 is my x from my second term, minus my x from my first term. And be very careful here, because my x from my first term is negative 8, and I still need a subtraction sign, so negative 8. 1 minus 5 equals negative 4. And a minus a negative becomes a positive, so 2 plus 8 equals 10. Now I have two even numbers, so they're both going to be divisible by 2. Negative 4 divided by 2 is going to be negative 2. 10 divided by 2 would be 5. So my m is going to equal negative 2/5. Hopefully you can tell me something about a graph. If you were to graph a line with a slope of negative 2/5, you should have a descending line. If you were looking at it from left to right, it would go down on the bottom right-hand side of that coordinate plane. Let's try this again on number 12. Using the same formula, I'll get it onto the screen there for you. y2 would be 9 minus, again, a negative 5 now for my y1 value, over x2 is 3.5 minus 1.5 minus a negative means I'm going to add them together, so that would be 14 over 2, which would simplify to 7. So my slope would be 7.